ends, you'll have a bag with assorted screws and the wrenches that you need. They'll include the key to lock and unlock the cover, and they give you a small plastic pry tool. The first bar, in this case we're going to be working on the rear. Right hand rear, left hand rear. We're going to lay it upside down, left side. We've already removed these covers. These covers come pre-installed and they would normally be locked in place. We put the key in and unlock it. That allows us to lift up, push forward and remove. And then we have to relock it to take the key out. All right, so this is going to be our left rear. So it needs to go upside down just like this. And this slides in. These are adjustable. Let's go ahead and pour our pieces out. All right, so we're going to take one of these and one of the standard flat washers lined up, and we're just going to hand thread. Don't ever tighten these up until it's already installed. That way you can slide this back and forth and get the appropriate width. Already removed the locking cover. Goes in upside down. Small ones with one washer. Hand threaded only. All right, this allows us to be able to move this back and forth as necessary. We're going to do the same thing to the front. So in this case, again, we turn it upside down. You'll notice right hand front, left hand front. So we go to our box. This is front left. Upside down here. Slide it on. And make sure again that you're using the flat washers and not these with the markings on them. Okay, finally the right front. Once again, slide it in. Of the two Allen keys, and I'm only doing this one because it was being a little bit stubborn. So I'm not torquing it down, I'm just getting it closer. There might be a little burr on the thread or something. There it goes. All right, so we're ready to go for that. Ready? Okay, once you're up on the roof, you look at your existing side rails, you're going to see a panel right here, and there's a little notch. Use the included pop tool, pry tool, and you just pop up on it and it lifts out of the way. And you're going to do that 4 times, and then there's 2 on either side the same. And now you're ready to bring the rails we've pre-assembled and lay them in place. You just kind of look through and see the bolts that they included, and 2 what they call a cam washer, the bunch of lines. So the 2 together, so that the side with a few lines, and you put it over your bolt, and then you drop your bolt in. And again, we're just going to do it by finger first so that we can confirm everything slides in place. Ending. Alright, and you can see it just drops right in again. And then we do the same thing with the 2 washers and the 1 bolt. Goes down here, and we just by finger thread it in. Once it's started threading, then we can use our tool. Well, you want to make sure that you've threaded all of both sides in before you start tightening down. And once they're all in and tight, then you can snug them up. The 4 screws underneath we did not tighten down. Now that this is all in place, we can make sure everything's right where we want it. There we go. Okay, now that we've got all of our bars tight, nothing moves, now we go back to our locking caps. Key in, turn to the unlock position, push down, snaps in place, turn it to the lock, it's now on. And repeat that on all 4 edges.